Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with chakalaka. First, cook 2 cups of elbow macaroni until it is al dente, following the package instructions. Once cooked, drain the pasta well and rinse it with cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the macaroni from becoming sticky. Allow the pasta to cool completely before moving on to the next steps. This ensures a perfect texture for your salad. Next, let us prepare the flavorful chakalaka base for our salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1 standard can of chakalaka with about 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Then, add 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 1/4 cup of colorful chopped bell peppers. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley to brighten the flavors. This mixture forms the heart of our unique macaroni salad. Now it is time to bring everything together. Gently fold the completely cooled elbow macaroni into your prepared chakalaka and vegetable mixture. Ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the pasta. Season the salad with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For a delightful tangy kick, stir in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix everything thoroughly but carefully. Finally, for the best flavor, cover your macaroni salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious dish. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Enjoy this unique and flavorful macaroni salad as a perfect side dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.